we in Goa, especially the tourism stakeholders, had expected a great inflow of tourists during this long weekend. But it has gone a flop, as reported in various quarters. Now the question is being asked, why? I think, are we blind? Are we yet not awakened as to how the tourism infrastructure is getting deteriorated day by day? We are still asking the question, why? Are we not prepared with the whole scenario to have a nice plan to revive the whole mess that has been created, especially by the present tourism thug? Now tell me, what does not exist in Goa that is evil? Violence is on its rise. Murders are happening as if nothing is wrong. Thefts are happening. The worst nuisance for a tourist is the thugs, especially in the Kalabut and the Baga area. They don't allow tourists to walk, which decent tourists would like to come. Even the domestic tourists are Deshi tourists on whom the tourism department and the tourism stakeholders depend much, because they have been coming in large numbers and they are our people, have given up Goa. Why? Goa, which was called to be a paradise, is today become a concrete jungle everywhere. The roads are pathetic. Even the Deshi tourists, domestic tourists from our neighboring states who drive down here, they are saying, my God, they go back home with slip disc with them. So how do you handle this situation? Will the government prepare a roadmap to revive tourism or allow it to die totally? Our virgin beaches, where every Goan would cherish to go there, especially in the months of April, May, that was the only time we used to go there and enjoy it. Can you go now there anymore? Does any Goan want to go there? If you take a statistics, hardly 2% of Goans may be visiting the Goa beaches, like Kalambut and all. It's a big figure, I'm telling you, of 2%. However, do not be shocked, be awakened that Goa, that was a paradise at one point of time, Goa is a lost paradise. Unless the government moves up and puts things on order and such a political thug is replaced by somebody who sees sense and creates a good roadmap so that Goa benefits, tourism stakeholders benefit, and people enjoy Goa. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe.